So our second example here is slightly different. In this case, we've got two fractions, but we've also got some algebra in the denominator. Now, the step is exactly the same as before. The first thing that we need to do is find our lowest common denominator between these two fractions so that we can subtract the two there. So in finding the lowest common denominator here, because we've got algebra in the denominator of these fractions, it's not going to be a nice, easy answer. But recall in the previous example, to find the lowest common denominator, what I did is I times the denominator of the first one, which was 3, by the denominator of the second fraction, which was 4, and found that the lowest common denominator was 12. We're going to do exactly the same thing here. What we're going to do for our lowest common denominator is use x minus 6 in brackets times x plus 2 in brackets. Now, as you can see, what we do to the top, we've got to do to the bottom. So basically, by timesing 3 on x minus 6 by x plus 2 on the numerator and the denominator, we're essentially just timesing it by 1, so we're not changing the value of anything here. And we're doing the same on the other side, on the other fraction. You can see that we've got x minus 6 on the top, and we've also multiplied by x minus 6 on the bottom. So we can see that from the line above, we've got both of our fractions on the same denominator now, so we're good to combine the numerator. The next step there I've done is expand out those brackets. Just again, note the expansion of the second set of brackets there. I've gone minus 2 times x gives me minus 2x, and I've then done minus 2 times minus 6 to give us positive 12. Then for our final step, we're going to bring together the like terms from the row before. So we've got 3x minus 2x giving us x, and 6 plus 12 giving us 18. And that's as simple as we can go, so there's our answer.